भाई 60 सेकंड टाइम हो रही है बस, तो तेरे 10 सेकंड बचे.
Call a friend.
Alan Shearer.
If you haven't watched the previous part, click the link in the description.
Alan Shearer, Harry Kane.
Cabin merchant.
Interesting fact, no? मुझे भी Alan Shearer ही लग रहा था, but ठीक है.
Maybe
Roll the die, bro.
pick up the dice, bro.
क्या करता है रे तेरी तो
1,
3.
3.
Yeah, not bad.
3.
Records and
Statistics.
Records and statistics. Which club holds the record for the most appearances in consecutive UEFA Champions League, European Cup, league finals? Consecutive. Okay. Your options are Real Madrid, Bayern Munich, or AC Milan.
What's the question? Okay.
AC Milan.
Good, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Questions are fucking hard for Indian football because you get double the points. 5-5.
Indian football.
He did it again.
Don't wear no shoes in my house.
It's your job. My job, yes.
Which major Indian football tournament is traditionally held around August, September and is the oldest football tournament in Asia? Yeah. Your 5 options are ISL, Super Cup, Federation Cup, Durand Cup, or Santosh Trophy.
Repeat the answers here.
Huh?
The options.
Options per se: ISL, Super Cup, Federation Cup,
Santosh.
Durand Cup, Santosh Trophy. Final answer.
Durand Cup.
Oh, I should get a pass. No, I'm
Yeah, that's what I was wondering. How
Oh yeah.
do you do pass questions?
Oh,
But I already answered.
What
I
is
said
the
Durand
advantage
Cup.
I'll get if I pass it, right?
You don't get it wrong.
I said Durand Cup, so I get 2 points.
no, the rule didn't exist
The
there.
rule starts now.
Yeah.
I just said it when I was sitting there. We can
Now he
answer.
gets 2 points.
No, even I
No,
knew the
he-
answer, right? But I waited कि pass हो.
You said it after.
हाँ, क्योंकि मैं वेट कर रहा था. Like randomly बोलोगे तो pass कैसे होगा?
Even I said I wanted to.
बहुत तेज हो रहा है
हाँ, okay, ठीक है. Roll the die, bro. Huh?
Which one is that? Magic.
I like twice. Yeah. I rolled 2 twice, bro.
Category:
Players and personality.
which former Manchester United midfielder and captain is affectionately known as Captain Fantastic by fans? Your options are Brian Robson or David Beckham.
Brian Robson, bro.
Yeah. Let's go, bro. Yeah.
Finally, points on the board.
2 points.
Only 4.
चल bro, category बता पहले.
History.
ये बंदा records के सारे लेके बैठा है.
4.
4.
That's a 4.
Which goalkeeper holds the record for the most clean sheets in Premier League history?
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो
Option number 1,
I know.
Edwin van der Sar, Peter Schmeichel, Joe Hart, or Peter Cech.
Wait. I thought D है, but he's not in the option. Yeah, I'm gonna guess. जो hard नहीं हो सकता. It's between Czech and
Is there a timer?
Yeah.
okay.
5,
One.
4,
पहला option.
3. क्या पहला ऑप्शन? भाई नाम बोल.
Edwin sir.
नहीं.
Better check. No, I was going to tell the answer.
Oh shit! Plus 2 points. Plus 2 points.
Let's see. 4.
Indian football.
Indian football. 7 points.
In 1948 London Olympics,
Wow.
India famously played barefoot
Oh, yeah.
against France.
Yeah.
Who scored India's lone goal in that match? Which was also India's first ever Olympic goal. Yeah.
Great.
Options?
Ahmad Khan, Sarangapani Raman,
It's not that.
Neville D'Souza, Tulsidas Balaram. 4, no? Haan.
Tulsidas Balram, I think, is a keeper. Yeah.
Neville D'Souza.
Nah. Can I?
No, he gets the option first.
I don't know the.
The options.
वेल डन तालियां होनी चाहिए यार हमारे लिए
Ahmad Khan, Sarangapani Raman, PK Banerjee, Neville D'Souza. And you said?
Neville D'Souza.
Neville D'Souza, that's out.
Now we
It was
want.
a
Yeah,
nice-
I'm not
D'Souza
sure.
was goal.
First one, the
Huh?
Ahmed Khan.
Ahmad Khan.
Raman.
Huh? Yes, -1.
Raman.
So you are literally -1 right now.
Negative is 0.
It is Raman, bro. It's from Bangalore.
Yeah.
I forgot about that.
Sarangapani Raman. Now you roll. You roll.
Yeah, I got back by -1.
Back to 0. That was quick.
Yeah.
3.
There is another category now.
Oh.
Whoa.
Clubs and
Outlaw.
leagues.
Okay, clubs and leagues. Let's do it. Do I get a bonus point if I
No.
get it right?
The Old Firm Derby is one of the most intense rivalries in the world football.
Okay.
Which two clubs are involved in this derby?
What is it called again? The old?
The Old Firm Derby. Firm.
Okay.
Okay, your options are, how many options? 3, no?
3.
Celtic versus Rangers. Dundee FC versus Dundee United. And Celtic FC versus Aberdeen FC.
Old firm. Never heard of that word before. Celtic and Rangers.
Yeah.
So I get 3 points.
History.
History. Okay.
How do you do this?
But I feel it's a disadvantage for him right now.
I see.
He wants 6 points.
The kind of question you're asking.
Oh yeah.
3. Right. What? Yeah, no, clubs and
Clubs and leagues.
clubs and leagues.
Which renowned football personality coined the phrase "the beautiful game"? Your 3 options are Pele, Johan Cruyff, George Best, Bobby Charlton. 3 options, no? So remove Bobby Charlton.
Correct.
No, Pele.
Cruyff coined the term total football.
Ah,
Yeah. He. No, I didn't know the answer for that. I just knew what Cruyff started.
You just seem like somebody that would.
Yeah, if this goes out, people are going to think I'm such a brag, bro. Such a sitting here, knows it all kind of guy. But I'm not.
So
I can see the answers here. No, I'm just
the same.
I trust you.
Yeah. Okay.
Indian football.
Go big, bro.
Let's just go for.
That's the only thing he does.
मैं बोलता नहीं
करके दिखाता हूँ
करके नहीं दिखाता
फिर
कुछ भी नहीं करता
Rules.
Rules.
Rules and statistics.
Rules and tactics.
Rules and tactics. My bad. Sorry.
What is the technical term used in football for a shot at goal that hits the goal post and then goes into the net? Should I repeat the question?
No, I got it.
Okay.
Okay.
post in, rebound goal, woodwork goal, cannon shot, or carrom goal?
What's the question?
दिमाग खराब हो जाएगा मैं माँ अम्मा बहन पे आ जाऊंगा मैं इनकी अम्मा बहन पे आ जाऊंगा
Poston. Poston. Yeah.
5 points.
Yeah.
What a comeback, bro.
Last करने वाला है bro.
They keep getting one. That's why.
So I'm going to go for Indian football.
Which Indian club holds the unique distinction of winning the Durand Cup, Federation Cup, and the National Football League, later I-League, in the same calendar year, completing a domestic treble? Is it East Bengal FC, Mohan Bagan, Tempo SC, Salgokar FC, or Bengaluru FC?
Yeah, I think it's Dempo. Dempo C or Salgaonkar. But I go with Dempo.
Also,
Yeah, I think.
it's East Bengal. Oh, very quick pass. So now this is the last round. एक बारी count tally बता दो. Tell the category. Indian football ही करेगा ना?
इंडियन फुटबॉल वही है भाई
6.
Oh shit.
ओके
But सही है. 12 points कर सकता है तू इसमें.
What is that look?
Which former Indian national team captain and defender is famously named the Wall for his robust defensive style? Renati Singh, Climax Lawrence, actually.
Yeah, there's a Goan player called Climax Lawrence. A great player.
And Gurumanki Singh, Mahesh Gauli, Sandesh Jindal, Subrato Pal.
I'll
फिर repeat दो.
go with संदेश दिन
पढ़ लिया क्या इसने?
No, no,
Cheating तो
no.
नहीं की तूने?
अरे भाई तो मैच देखता हूँ इंडिया के
Climax Lawrence was too funny.
हाँ, okay.
Come on, AB, Indian football.
Indian football. Let's do Indian football for.
Indian football.
Yeah.
Which Indian football club has won the most I-League titles in the league's history? कितने options? 6.
Four.
4. The options are Mohan Bagan, East Bengal, Tempo SC, or Gokulam Kerala FC.
East Bengal.
ओके कहने को
तो तुमने हाथ नहीं उड़ाना. हाँ.
हाँ तो आपने ये बोला था
हाँ.
हाँ मोहन बोले
No.
Tempo.
Yes. -1.
Just minus
Plus 2.
-1 and +2.
No, matter. Okay.
I think they have won more ISLs.
So what points are is
2.
2.
So,
Indian football.
no, I'll go with rules.
Non-Indian football.
Rules.
points on the table?
Rules and tactics. I'm trying hard not to look at the screen.
What is the tactical term for a player who operates just behind the main striker, often acting as a link between midfield and attack?
ऑप्शन
Options, how many options?
2.
Target man or attacking midfield?
I know it's 2,
Midfielder.
but still I'm just giving a. Let him make the call.
It's done, bro. It's done.
Let him make the call.
Answer.
Attacking midfield.
Tactics, okay. I'm gonna go with Indian football. 4.
India famously qualified for the FIFA Men's World Cup once, but withdrew. In which year was this particular World Cup? Your options are 1938, 1950, 1954, and 1962.
I'm just gonna wing it with 1958. 54.
58 was not even an option.
ये क्या हो गया?
Yeah, 54.
That was a pretty far wing.
Yeah.
That's wrong.
Hey man.
1950.
He gets to see.
Let's go.
So he gets plus 1 point.
2.
Plus
Oh,
two.
plus 2. Yeah.
Plus 2.
The game is now over.
70.
Scorecard. So as you won. As we said, this is कौन बनेगा कुछ भी नहीं. So you have finally become कुछ भी नहीं. And your award is literally कुछ भी नहीं. But we have something. One thing only.
Oh, the MVP medal. Let's go.
You need to show it in front of the camera.
And he's gonna become a dad today.